Hey, what's up everybody? I was sent these reusable cleaning cloths for free so I could check them out and let you know what I think about it. So first thing to say is that they come in a 4-pack. This is the actual bag they come in. And then each of the 4 cleaning cloths come individually wrapped up and sealed in this bag here. The point of that is because they're pre-moistened to keep them pliable. Because as you can see with this one, when they dry out, they're not anymore, like they're pretty hard. So if they do show up and they're like this or not pliable at all, that's really easy. And when you want to reuse your other ones that you did let dry out, it's easy. Simply run it under water for 20 or 30 seconds and then they go back to the usable state that you see here. So the point of this video is just for me to show you and talk to you and tell you what I like about it. I did do a different video showing you me actually using them, but one of the things I really like is that it's reusable, right? We use like a ton of paper towel in my house, like way more than I would even like to admit to. It's embarrassing and I feel bad about it. So I'm actually really impressed with these because of how easy it is to like clean up whatever your mess is, take it to the sink, rinse it off, dry it, and then move on. And then you can come right back to it when you're ready. So I really imagine this is going to save me a ton of money just in buying paper towel over the next year or so. So just for that reason alone, I think it's a no-brainer. But yeah, overall, I really think it's a good product, and I do think it's worth having around your house.